going to create the vlog. We are filming a vlog today because Livy's great, very entertaining. She's very much requested on our last video. If you haven't seen that, go check that out. And it's a vlog. Yeah. The first vlog ever. Who better to do it with than Livy? Yeah, let's get into it.
Get into it. Into what? No, it's not. Little Gracie. Little Gracie.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
I didn't touch it, but
Sponsored by Rock On.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god! It's wet on it! Oh. How to make a sandwich.
how to make a sandwich? Have some of that, sure.
Nice.
That looks pretty rank. Won't be eating that.
What is that?
Oh, someone's been using pickle. I hate pickle.
Oh well, I won't even taste it.
I'm sure I won't even taste it. Okay, get cheese. Oh. What a beautiful sandwich.
Your hands are so fancy. Quality, top quality content.
Oh my god. What the hell have I done to this sandwich?
First bite. Good.
Lunch at 3 o'clock.
It's good. It's when you get here. Now my feet are like, oh gosh. Cold. Cold. Very cold. So cold. Oh, this is Livy. How is the world? Fight it. Fight it. Oh my gosh. You're pro. Oh my god. How are you doing? Okay. Boss it. Boss it. Come on, hold it up. We've got this too. Hold it up. Let's go. Hop. Hop. I can't feel that. I'm very dramatic. Okay, Livy, how do you feel?
Amazing. Never better. Yeah, my feet after that, I really recommend, to be fair. Feet on fleek.
Yeah.
Wait, no, that's weird.
Cool. You feel very good.
Very good indeed.
Daily dip.
Daily dip.
Daily dip with Livy. Rope versus Livy.
That is cool.
Yeah!
Oh, that's a good.
Nice!
Oh my god, that is, oh my god.
Does it feel high?
Yeah.
The hold of it. Go check it. Nice! Yes! Ah, that is so good! Oh my god! Yeah! Yeah.
But it is. No, I don't fucking think I can. Oh shit.
Got it. Sick. You got this.
Okay.
Yeah, come on, do it. You got it. You got this. You got it. You got it. You got it. Sick. Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm just
Sick.
Should we sit on that? Or are we gonna like die?
No. Yes. I'm yeah. Yay!
Yeah.
Yeah. Hello.
Hello.
Finish eating dinner. So we are doing stick and legs. Little disclaimer, don't do this at home, don't do this at all, don't do this ever, no matter your age. We just want to do it anyway. Grabbing the needle. If you want to know what's on my face, it's paint. No.
Okay, good on.
Gosh.
That will get really bad.
So here is the tattoo we are doing. Depends if you're happy. Maybe. How deep is that guy? Not that deep. I'll go deep when I'm actually concentrating. It's easy when it's stretched out.
A hole in front of the school, and there was some fire, and I think some ice. And it felt really, really bad, and I just wanted her to stop.
You can go over it and stuff, yeah.
I don't think Dad would approve of her going.
Nice. Okay. Cool. Take two.